So now we are going to predict the next day price. For that, we need to type print next price prediction model predict. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to build a stock price prediction model using Python. We will use Apple stock data and apply linear regression to predict the next day closing price. So let's get started. So first we are going to import all the important libraries for this project. We use yfinance to download historical stock data. Then we use pandas to clean and organize the data into structured table format. Finally, we use linear regression from sklearn to build a prediction model for the next day closing price. Then click on this run button. Now we are going to download the data set. So for that, we need to type this data equal to yfinance.download, and this is the link of the data. So starting from that is 2020 first Jan and end to 2024 first Jan, and click on run button. So now our data stored in a pandas data frame. Now we need to create target column next day price. So for that we need to type data target equal to data close shift 1. Here shift -1 move the close price one row up. This means today's stock data will be used to predict tomorrow closing price. This is the key logic behind our prediction. So now click on run button. Next we are going to remove the missing values. So for that we need to type that is data equal to data dot dropna and click on run button. Because the last row will have empty value after shifting. Now we'll define the input features and output variable. So for that we will type x equal to data, which include open, high, low, close, volume, and we define our target variable, that is y equal to data target, which is the value we want to predict. Then click on run button. Now we'll create the model, that is model equal to linear regression. Then click on run button. Linear regression find the relationship between input variables and output variables. Then click on run button. Now we will train our model by typing model.fit x, y. Here the model learn pattern from historical stock data between 2020 and 2024. Then click on run button. Alright, so now we are going to predict the next day price. For that we need to type print next price prediction model predict x.tail. Here I pass one as argument to the tail function to take the last row of the data set. And since the predict function returned the result in array format, I use index 0 to extract the first value. Then click on run button. Based on historical data from 2020 to 2024, the linear regression model predicts that the next trading day's closing price will be around $191.80. So in this project, first we download the Apple stock data using yfinance. Then we create a target column to predict the next day's closing price. After cleaning the data, we separate into an output variables. Finally, we train a linear regression model and use it to predict the next day stock price. Please note that this is a basic machine learning model for educational purposes. Stock markets are volatile and real-world prediction require more advanced model and financial indicators. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.